Hello people, welcome to my channel again. So this has come up as a request quite a few number of times, so I thought I should do this video, and also because I'm a mom and I know the difficulties of trying to get even a little bit of me time for moms out there, and taking care of skin, taking care of your hair is a luxury for us actually, and it's not something that we can do whenever we want. So I thought I should do this video about my skincare routine. There isn't much of a routine actually. This is something I would do probably once a week or once in 2 weeks, because that's about the time I get to spare to do all of these rituals. What I do on a daily basis actually is very important, because skin or hair being good is something that has to come internally. So if your diet is good, if your water intake is good, you are going to see the effects of it on your skin. And also exercise is a very important part as well. So if there's something you can do good for your own skin and hair on a daily basis, it has to be eating 5 different colors of fruits and vegetables in a day. And coming to the external factors, coming to what you can do on your skin externally, we will get into the video right now. So first thing I do daily is wash my face as usual, once or twice a day, and this is my no-fail face wash. I have somewhat of a combination skin. It's dry in places, it's oily in places, and for the longest time before I had kids and everything, I've had horrible acne. So I've been using this face wash. This is the Himalaya purifying neem face wash. I've been using this for the past, I think, 12 years now, and I have not changed it for the simple reason I know this agrees for my skin, and I am not going to try and experiment with anything else, because I don't know how it might react on my skin. I don't know what will happen if I do. So this is it. This is my face wash forever. And what I do is I can't do this in my bathroom, so I'm just doing it here. I like to use warm water. I'll tell you why. So the thing with warm water is it opens up your pores, and on the day when I want to do the entire cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine, I use warm water, wash my face, and then at the absolute end I splash my face with cold water, which acts as a natural toner. It helps to make your pores smaller, compress your pores, and I don't need to go back to using another toner or anything. I don't like using a lot of products on my face, you'll see now. So the first thing I do is get a nice lather on my face with the face wash. And I'm sorry about the bottle, it looks like something else. I like repurposing plastics, so this is actually something else. This was like kids conditioner or something like that, and it got empty, and it was a really nice spray bottle, so I'm just using this again. So guys, reuse your plastics if you can. Don't make it like single-use plastics and dispose them. And then I'm just gonna wipe my face after all that. Next, before exfoliating, I like to get rid of the blackheads over here. I have a lot of them, and it's quite evident when I don't. So these are the nose pore strips I got from Miniso. I don't really, I haven't spent too much time or gone into whatever is there in the market really. So this is good enough. I mean, it does the work. What you have to do is you have to wet your nose first, and remove this, and with the shiny side down towards your skin, you put it onto your nose. And you wait for it to dry. So in the meantime, what I like to do is another thing really good for my skin is water. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. So it's been like 5 to 7 minutes since I applied this, and it's like I can feel it dry. You feel that stretchy kind of a thing, you feel that, so you know it's dry. They say take it off slowly, but the slower I take it off, the more it hurts. So I'm just gonna, oh god, ah god. Once that's removed, I just like to rinse my face again because there's like that adhesive on it's kind of sticky. So just give your face a good rinse again with just water. Then I scrub my face. This is a very homemade DIY kind of a scrub. It's just got about a teaspoon of olive oil. You can also use coconut oil, but coconut oil I have read is comedogenic, highly comedogenic, which means it may clog your pores. So if you are acne prone, avoid coconut oil. Olive oil is a little better than that. So this is just as a binding agent. So I've used a teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds, or any instant coffee powder that you have at home, which is not very fine. It needs to have a little bit of coarseness to it, and coarse sugar. So that was also about 2 teaspoons of coarse sugar. So it's just that I mixed it all well. Now I'm just going to take that and scrub my face. This is much better done over a sink, guys. I'm just doing this for you all on screen here, and oh my god, it smells so good. So caffeine is supposed to be really good for your skin, for making your skin firm and closing up your pores. Also, glycolic acid in the sugar is going to make your dead skin be lifted off. So that's good for your skin. Also, it's like a natural abrasiveness. Can you see how red I'm getting? Yeah, my skin is really sensitive. So don't scrub your face off like you hate it. Just go a little gentle with it. And of course, olive oil. Olive oil is very, very good and very moisturizing for your skin. It's great. So, and it's such an inexpensive thing. You can do it with the stuff that you have at home. It's a DIY scrub. It's like a homemade DIY scrub. You don't need to spend too much on high-end products. And this is totally in your budget beauty, and you don't need to go out of your home right now. Once I've nicely rubbed all of that in, I'm just going to rinse my face again. Just water, spritz my face with it. This is pretty cold now, so it's nice to tone my face as well. My skin is already feeling so amazing. So the next thing I like to do is, again, this is just, you know, me time, my time. I like to use a face mask, and this is my, again, go-to product. I've been using this for almost a year and a half now. Not this same thing, not the same box, but then this product I've been using. This is the Mamaearth C3 face mask. It's got charcoal, coffee and clay and fruit extracts. That's what this says. So it's good for acne prone skin again. So I am prone to acne even though I have dryness. This does not dry the skin out, but it does not give your skin acne as well. So I love this product. I'm just going to take that. It's kind of thick, so I'm just going to apply it like that. And this time, if you're doing this in a nighttime routine, you can spend this time to read your babies, read your kids a nice bedtime story, because this takes about 10 minutes or 15 minutes to dry, and then you can go rinse your face. I remember though that my kids were really scared the first time I wore this. So be aware of that. And I'll see you right after I wash my face. After it's dry, I'm going to just go to my actual bathroom, because this I can't rinse off with this spray bottle. I'll actually need to rinse my face off this. I'll do that and then I'll be back. I'll see you again. I'm just going to pat down my face after that nice rinse. And can you actually see the difference that it's already made? There's kind of a glow and a radiance on my face. And wow, yeah, got my nose pin back. So the steps after this is something that I do daily. Mask, scrub, everything is something that I get to do maybe once a week or once in 15 days, as I said earlier. But these steps after this, so after I wash my face, so usually it is me washing my face with a face wash, and then it's applying serum and a moisturizer. And this is what I use for my face. The oil is this Palmer's cocoa butter. I use it in all my videos. So this is like a multi-purpose oil. This is the Palmer's cocoa butter formula skin therapy oil. I use this in all my videos before my makeup because it gives a very flawless finish to my face. It gives this kind of a glow, dewiness to the face. So what I do is, I can't do this like the Instagrammers. I don't pour it out. I take about 4 to 5 drops on my hand. I heat it up between my palms really well, and then I just not, go into my face. I just like to pat it down on my face nicely. And then moisturize. Never ever forget to moisturize. If you are somebody who has acne prone skin or you have oily skin, even then you need to moisturize because there are so many, pollutants, or you're in the AC, or those things really draw moisture out of your skin, and that can lead to premature aging of your skin. That's not good. So this is what I use. This is again from Palmer's. This is the coconut water formula. It's amazing because it's so lightweight and it's like a gel. It's like, yeah, look at that. It's almost like a gel, and it smells really nice. Like if you are somebody like me who loves coconut, oh, this smells like coconut yogurt. It's really, really good. It's so good. I want to eat it, but I should not. So I'm going to eat it. But after I've got moisturizer in, I really give my face a nice massage. So yeah, I finally shared my secrets to the glowing skin that I have. A lot of it has to do with genetics. A lot of it has to do with my diet. And a little bit of it has to do with this routine that I follow daily. It's not a lot of products. I hope this is easy for you all to do. Make skincare a priority because it is self-love, right? And self-love is important. And there you have it. It's something as easy as 1, 2, and 3, and 4 and 5 maybe. But make sure you take care of your skin. Make sure you take care of your health. Make sure you eat well. Make sure you are hydrated. Have 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Stay indoors, stay safe, stay quarantined. And finally, I must say this, do participate in the Great Cloth Diaper Change 2020. It's a virtual event. It's happening across the globe, 50 countries I think, and everybody is going to be making the change of switching to cloth diapers. So if you have a child who needs diapers, who needs, you are using disposable diapers, do participate in the cloth diaper change. It's going to be amazing because it's very economical, it's good for the planet, and you don't have to spend lots and lots of cash every month on disposables. So that is a very great thing. I've cloth diapered my younger one, not my elder one. I didn't know about it that time. I use cloth diapers with her, and they are very, very good. And they're very good for the baby skin as well, so there's no rashes, there's no problem of all that. So do make sure that you participate in the GCDC 2020, okay? So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and do let me know what you think about my skincare routine and if you can follow it. See you in the next video.